back to our channel. Okay, I think this is episode, I know I missed a couple of days, I do apologize. School is like, you know, but I think we are on episode number 17. So yeah, let's just say we're on episode 17. So I do have a Christmas party to go to tonight. It is, I think, about 8 o'clock right now, and we have to be there for 9. So I need a quick, easy, and cute hairstyle. So you know what? I was on Pinterest, I was looking, I saw something really cute. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna do that hairstyle. So if you're interested to see how I got this hairstyle, keep on watching it. And if you are new, my name is Alisia.B. Welcome to our channel. Our channel is about natural hair, how to retain it, love it, and grow it. So if you are natural or if you are transitioning, this channel is for you. So let's get right into this hairstyle. We're gonna part our hair in front of our ear. That's the line that we want. This one is too far back, so we're just gonna make sure that it is straight. So just make sure that it ends at the same place on either side. Here, so in front of the ear, in front of the ear. Once your line is as straight as possible, I try to get mine as straight as I can. What you're gonna do is you want to braid this part all the way back, because that's where the clip-ins are gonna be. So now that I'm done the back part, like this, what we're going to do is we're going to take a small part from the top, cross all the way across, just to cover the tracks that's going to be at the back. So this Now for the front part, we're gonna cane roll it down. You could do either a straight part, a zigzag, or slant. I'm gonna do the slant because I like how it looks better. Just like that. We're going to take some of the Shine and Jam, and we're just going to make sure that this part stays flat, because we're going to be cane rolling it, and we're going to do it by doing feed and braids. So you just want to make sure that everything lays nice and flat, so that way it looks clean and crisp. That's what we want. you always want to make sure that you have your hair prepped before you start doing the braids. So I'm just going to prep the hair by pulling pieces out and laying them on my counter. So it's just going to be like this thick. And then we're going to put it on the counter. That way we can just pick it up and braid. If you guys have not seen my feed and braid videos, make sure you guys check it out. It's really informative and it's really good. It teaches you guys how I do my knotless braids. And you guys can do it too. It's pretty simple. It just takes practice. But once you get it, you guys save a lot of money. And that way you don't have to pay people like literally hundreds of dollars to be doing your own hair. And you want to try and get it from the tip all the way back. This is a braid. Looks really neat and really good. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. And now we're basically just gonna add the clip-ins to the back. So now that the clip-ins are in, we are going to take out the extra pieces that we had and just blend it in. Alright, so now we're going to do our edges. I'm using the 24-hour E-band hold, and I'm just going to slick it on. Edge control brush. Blended in, I am going to add some beads to the first two braids, or the two braids. I want to add probably like a couple at the ends, just to make it a little bit shorter and cute. And then I'm going to add some of the hair cuffs, I guess you could call them, to my braid as well, just to like up the hairstyle just a little bit. And then we are done, y'all. Alright guys, so this is the final product. This is the hair, the front, with the 2 beads at the bottom, and then this is the back. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you guys have not subscribed already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video of VLOGMAS Natural Hair Edition. Bye!